Vivo has launched their new member to the Vivo V series line of smartphones. Last year, Vivo's flagship device was Vivo V7, and this year, skipping the number 8, Vivo is calling this as the Vivo V9 as the flagship smartphone of 2018. After multiple leaks, we now finally have the Vivo V9 with us, and let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside the box, we have some user manual documentation, a SIM ejector tool, a transparent silicone case, a Vivo V9 smartphone in champagne gold color variant, a 2 ampere wall adapter, a micro USB cable, and a standard 3.5 mm earphones. Having a look at the device now, we have the Vivo V9 in champagne gold color variant with us. At the front, we have a 6.3 inches full screen display. At the back, the device has a metallic finish with a fingerprint sensor at the center. Let's talk more about the display of the device. I'm sure you must have noticed by now, the V9 has a resemblance to its expensive sibling, the iPhone X. The device has the same notch on top of the display, which houses the proximity sensor and the front-facing camera. Except for the notch cutout, the device does not share any more resemblance to the iPhone X. Technical specification of the display are: it's a 6.3 inches display, it's an IPS LCD display with 85.2% screen to body ratio and a 1080 into 2280 pixels resolution with a 400 pixels per inch density. The device has a weird aspect ratio of 19:9. That's because it's a full screen display and there's a notch on top of it. The device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with FunTouch OS 4.0 skin on top of it. The V9 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. The device has a 4GB of RAM and it has an internal storage of 64GB, which can be expanded up to 256GB with a dedicated SIM slot. And yes, the device has a dual SIM card slot as well. So let's set up the fingerprint sensor on this device. Setting up it pretty easy, and as you can see, the fingerprint recognition is really fast, as you can expect from most other Vivo devices. Talking about the camera of this device features a dual rear camera setup. The first one is a 16MP f2.0 aperture camera, and that's accompanied by a secondary 5MP camera with f2.4 aperture, that is to capture the depth. The camera also features some artificial intelligence features that include AR stickers, face beauty, automatic scene detect capture, and that's all. And talking about the front camera, it's a 24MP f2.2 aperture camera, and that too has same artificial intelligence features that we have seen in the rear camera. So that's all in the unboxing video of the Vivo V9. At the time of shooting this video, the official pricing and the official availability of the device is not yet announced, but what we know is the device will be available in 3 color variants: the pearl black, champagne gold, and the sapphire blue color variant. And as for the leaks, the device would be somewhat around 25,000 and might be available from Amazon.in. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.